Oh man, oh man, oh man, we made it back again. What is up, team? Welcome back to the channel. Please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to hit those A's in the chat so that I know that you are hearing my voice. What is up, my brother Options? Good to see you there, my dude. Thank you so much for all your support. What's up, Damon? Jay Abrams, my dude, how's it going? Yuka Frita and Michael Payne, my brother. How dare you come up to me with such a kind offer? Man, what is going on? What are you saying there, my dude? You're saying, hey, I'm trying to put my hat on over here. I don't even know what the heck is going on. I have all these headphones above me and can't even put my hat on. Hey, what's up, Cameron? How you doing, buddy? Good to see everybody here, man. So, let's see. So you're talking about, so Michael Payne is, what's up, man? Michael Payne is coming through with a nice dono, bro. He's saying, hey, bro, many are hitting me up about was created. After the split, it's been interesting to say the least. Can you touch on the VOCLD if you have time tonight or in the AM? Thanks and congrats to the video reach you've been getting it, dude. Yeah, that's interesting, man. I can't believe the channel reached 1 million views. That's yeah. When I first saw it, man, I was like, whoa, that's that's kind of something. But yeah, man. Of course, dude. I can do that, man, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for considering a kind dono like that, dude. But nonetheless, right? We could give it an outlook. Dude, did we notice the SPY capitulating today, or was it good or bad? Let me see. I don't remember if we were. Oh yeah, remember Palantir, dude. Look at the target, bro. Cryptic, look at this thing. Oh hell no.
Nah.
Man, this thing was a whole liar. We were waiting for the stupid thing, and it never freaking did it in front of our faces, man. It took forever. SPY ran let's see, a lot up and down today, it seemed. Right, let me look at.
Let's see, FMC, dude. FMC hit that.
Did it? Did it really?
Almost. Yep.
Oh, dude.
Dude.
And look at.
We would have caught a 5-point move.
Oh,
we kind of whipped out.
And you know what? Here, look, we would have been waiting forever on NXPI. NXPI, just like for real, where we were at 227, it trickled barely, right? And it moved just 2 points up, but not anything volatile. It took forever to get there. Dude, that's insane, man. So, yeah, I think FMC, right? And the potentially Palantir, but this one just took forever to make the move, man. I think FMC was probably the best play. And I mean, the other one that we looked at too was not bad. It was just, was it Palantir? Yeah, it was just that, you know, we couldn't find the clear guide, and it didn't have the earnings call and that whole thing, right? So, CoinFox, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for being with the family over there, dude. I appreciate you. But the reason why I'm asking about the SPY is because of smaller caps. And I think small caps may be experiencing some pressures because of the market's continuation to the upside. So let me just look at this real quick for Michael Payne. Thanks for coming on by, Michael. I trust that you're still there, buddy. Let me know that you are. I know that I think you're in the East Coast, right? So things can get a little late for you. So I'll just get it out of the way real quick, my man. And see what's up. So yeah, regarding the SPY today, it was complete. Chad's right. It was just a complete chop around, right? A huge downside followed by a recovery, and ended up close to a similar. Let me see. Yeah. Oh my goodness, dude. These 2 days have been so wacky. It's just because of the macro, you know, all that data that's coming out, earnings season, things are getting pushed and pulled left and right by chips and stuff. So, you know, we're gonna face some pressures. SPY's in a triangle. Dude, you know what? I was also kind of looking at this too, Coin. What do you think, man? And you, Cryptic, too, buddy. Tell me if you think that this would be viable to consider, right? So this would give us an answer over small caps and tickers like VOCL and things. So if we're going to experience some pressure to the downside, you know, we may be able to see some thrust for small caps. And I mean, particularly speaking, this would be your regression, right? The regression is I mean, to say the very least, is pretty healthy, right? And your downside potential on a full-on correction with this, I don't know that it can reach it over 1 day, but it's 483.68. So on the 1 hourly is what you're talking about, right, brother? So Coin, I see it too, right? So that's gonna be the real fight here. You're talking about a bull pennant, right? Is that the one you're talking about? And Nameless saying, sorry, what? What's up, Nameless? How are you? Good to see you here. And by the way,
you know,
yeah, tell me, buddy.
That's funny. I was looking at snow. It was breaking out, but it broke out of rising wedge on the
Oh,
12.
so
Kind of like you're
a rare
seeing
one.
there.
Let me see.
Look at 12 hour.
Let me see. Snow, right?
Yeah.
Snow 12 hour.
And you'll see it.
And right in here, right? So let me see, dude. Oh, man. It looked like it had like a fake out almost. Let me see this.
I'm wondering if you're getting formations that look bearish, but it's breaking up still.
Yeah. You know, on a 12 hour, this was a really ugly bull flag, but no, it's just, this was a fake out here of sorts. So if there was a fake, let me reverse it, right? So it would be inflection like this, right? Something like this. So, well, technically this is a bullish formation and broke down as a fake out. So, if is this what you were looking at?
No, I tried it a little different.
And then if I were to see it from a different pair of eyes, I think I would do this. Let me see if you also would do. Oh, you're talking about a rising wedge entirely, like a big version of it.
Yeah,
I see.
Yeah, rising wedge. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, buddy. And I do see the test of it too. Unless we were doing it something like maybe like this too, right? Let me see. Yeah, it's completely viable. And if we were to take,
and I'm only saying that because of what you're saying. And I also was looking at this. It has like a 240 target, but it was a bearish formation.
It was a bearish formation. So minimal target is 227. Largest target is probably going to be that 240 that you speak of. So if I put it from the clean break, like right around here,
which is where the options chain takes it.
Nice confluence.
That's what I'm saying. I'm wondering if stuff isn't going to capitulate yet.
And it actually validates what Coin was talking about too. Coin was talking about us potentially making or settling on a new leg up. So what you're observing here is in line with what Coin was putting to us too. Dude, holy crap. Damn, are we in the precipice here of a complete macro shift? NVIDIA is kind of feeding this frenzy too. NVIDIA reaching $700, man. 702.40. And it closed at 702, which is just ridiculous. You know, so this is an incredible amount of price action here. Options is talking about a potential 800 by their earnings. Huge expectations, by the way, buddy. But you know, I will say again.
I saw that too. 800 possibility.
Right. So if we do have that, I'll give it to you geometrically just to see, and then we'll just take a look at how small caps are going to be behaving over this too, right? So, Alex, what's up? Good to see you in there. Michael, let me know that you're still in there, buddy. From the last day print to today, 781.53 at the 4-spot 618. Definite target there, man. So that naturally gives us the 781 to like 799 or whatever it is. Knowing this asset, it's probably going to go to 815 and then capitulate. So it's just so ridiculous. So let me add that line right there. But dude, with these types of gaps, yeah, man, it feels like and then tomorrow another gap up potentially. Where is what's the 24-hour telling us? NVIDIA loves to run hard into earnings. So this is historical. It does this. Poke Bros, what is up? So yeah, we're taking a look at a couple tickers right now, right? I'm going to cover a small cap too. I'm going to take a look at that ticker symbol VOCL, but given that Michael Payne is in here, Michael, please let me know that you are in the chat so I can look at it for you, buddy. As I'm taking a look at the broader markets right now for potential strength. Because if the broader markets are looking or they're showing upside, that doesn't mean the best temporarily for small caps and micros. right? So that usually has an inverse correlation. Not always, but it's good to consider. I still don't see my dude in there, and let's see. Hey Jay, how are you, buddy? And that's a master student. Let's see. Got a chance. Which one did you say? Jay Abrams, let me know that you're still in there too, buddy. Let me know that you're in there. And right, so today another play that we were looking at was MCD, and MCD did capitulate, right? It did do its thing, but it kind of stopped, just like the others did. Cat, for example, did make a pretty interesting move, but I think it was just all downside for the majority of it. Did we end up playing
Cat
this
didn't
at
make a
all?
move, though.
Yeah, it didn't move at all.
I did. Yeah, we did. I did.
We did. I think I did maybe one play with you.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we did the first down.
Oh, right. Yeah, you're right. We noticed that as it started breaking down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
As it broke the 50, we took that to the 100.
Yeah, that's right. You're totally right. So CoinFox is saying NVIDIA will get B slapped at 7. Let's see, at 7. I can't see the damn thing at 700. It needs to go retest the 630s. So the 630s on NVIDIA.
You know what? I don't know, though. There's just something. It's not stopping.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think so.
This thing is.
I think it's going straight to the 800, man.
Imagine, dude. Damn. And we're over here just not long enough.
I think it is, bro.
Damn, but it's $700, dude. That's a lot. You know, damn. Dude, they're going to have to stock split this thing, man. At some point, you have to make it cheaper. You know what I mean? $700 and then leading into $1,000. Like, bro, like, I mean, even Tesla had to do that. Tesla at 11 or 1200. You remember that? It's, you know, they had a split. Yeah, this thing's been running for freaking 2 weeks. That's right, Options. This thing is just going up and up and up and up and not stopping. So yeah, Jay and Michael Payne, let me know that you're still in there. And then Yuka Frita, what's up, buddy? Elf is a good earnings play tomorrow after hours. What's tomorrow after hours besides Elf? Let me take a look at nonetheless, right? Let me just take a look at it.
Yeah, Elf's not on the scanner.
It's not popping up on scan?
No.
Low volatility on it.
That's probably why.
Yeah, damn it.
All is EMPH and Snap.
Oh, dude, what? Those are after hours tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Dude, ENPH and Snap, those are big movers. Hold on. All right. Dude, yes. So as long as it pops up on you know, if it pops up on volatility, on movement, then it's a good play. But otherwise, we'd be putting ourselves in some danger. But let me pull up the 12-hour time frame and just see if this thing has the ability to move. We'll take a look at a couple iterations, no matter what, right? And let me get this thing done up like this and run a quick little stats on this. So this is gonna be right there. And screw it, just one for good luck. Okay. Let's pull up the 30-minute time frame on this and run a quick little test on this. On this dealio, right? So this is the reporting candle right here on ENPH. Damn. Opening of 96.18, low of 77, bro. What? Dude, that is a 20-point move. That, damn. All right. Now we're talking business. So 20 points, EMPH. This is actually a ticker that Cryptic brought up. This is something that he trades normally, regularly, right? It has intraday movement, and it tends to balance out.
It has like 8. Yeah, the ATR is like 8, something like that.
Dude. So I am noticing that actually your ATR times 2 seems to be on a daily. Seems to be what's happening here. So opening of 166.80, low of 130. Damn, dude. That's yeah, yet again. What is that? A 22 point move? 876. Yeah, 22 points. Damn, dude. Get the frick out. That's awesome. Wow. Okay, this is the reporting candle right over here. You notice how consistent these are? 220 to a low of 182. 18
This stock tends to pick a direction and just goes.
Yeah, man. So 18-point move here. Seeing the pattern or what? Stupid amazing. The reporting candle on this boy was this one here. And yeah, it did choose a direction. It just went. Opening of 228, high of 248. That is 97. Yeah, it's still a 20-point move. Again, consistent. I'm talking about the first 30-minute candle because it went to 255 in the following 30-minute candle. So you know, in all reality, it's yeah. I'm just saying it's 25-point move potential, but yeah, it's a 20-point, dude. Impressive times here. Let's see what's up with the earnings candle on this one. That's the reporting candle. This was probably its lowest mover. Opening of 265 to a high of 287. Wait a second. That's still 20 points. Oh, what the hell? In fact, it's bigger. It's 22 points. Dude, what? Oh, man. Guys, we found our freaking play. Cryptic Trader coming through, coming in the clutch. This is ridiculous. There ain't no way, there ain't no how, team. This is your, man, there is no better stat than what you are observing here live. Right, Crypt? This is crazy, bro.
It could be a beast.
Yeah.
And it's one of those that you could, this one you could be aggressive on, actually, because
it's so consistent.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
222s, 220s, 118. It's a 21-point average, man. Damn. Awesome. Let's plot it. Average. Okay. So what's the options flow telling us? What's our max top? Can DAS tell us that, or where are we observing this? Let me see.
Let's see. We are at 100.
100 max bottom. Yeah, you're
85.
85.
85. Sorry, 85 and my bad. And 110.
85, bro. That is we're at 97 right now. 85 is a 12-point move. I think maybe down here at 77 could do it. But you're talking about the options chain, so
I'm talking about the option chain. The heaviest is 85 for puts.
85. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me mark it off anyway then.
Calls. And for calls, it's at 110. And then there's another concentration at 125.
Let's mark them down anyway. So 110 and 125. Okay, I'm going to get rid of all of the other nonsense there.
That's just the flow.
Yeah, this is just the options flow, of course. So now let's speak. Well, I mean, these are the max tops, and I guess from there we'll just figure it out. But I mean, I do think that this has more room to run than the 11.5 points here.
70. Well, 75 is your next. It has volume and open interest. 75.
75. I see it there. It is there as a 75. There as a 75. Actually, there would be pretty nice. Okay. Let me see something. Okay. Yeah. Check it out. 2 standard deviations. You have your 77 on a 5-day, right? I mean, we could also do weekly to minimize noise. There we go. So, what the hell was that? Yeah, check it out. 7509 is your 2 standard deviation move to the downside. Your upside, the target that we're looking at 125 is correlated with 1 standard deviation. So there is the potential to go to 137 as well, but I don't know that it can reach that high. I guess it really depends on where it closes tomorrow. But this is pretty clean. So Coin is saying that if you look at the range NVIDIA came from, we have now moved the equal leg up. It's time to chop and dip in this range till right before earnings. Snap is going to fly 78.50. And if they beat it, 130. So, yeah, you know what? I was thinking here maybe 130, 137 to 125. You're right on the money. This is a 2 standard deviation multiplier, right? So it's closer to 140, if anything. But that's a real macro top. I do think the 132 to 125 to 132 feels like the range. Tweezer tops, weekly tweezers, right at that 132. They were responsible for a drop from 132 to 73. So got to take that into consideration. Here we go. Thank you, Coin. All right, we got it plotted out. We're chilling. Yeah, I think so too, Coin. I think this could really spin heads. I agree. This is crazy, man. There's absolute movement on this ticker. It's crazy. Let's see. So let's see. Oh, yeah, Jay. So that was charted by us, buddy. This was our target that we put out yesterday before earnings. This is literally where we said it'd go, right? We said 1992. And in fact, we chopped around here for a while. I think maybe in the 5-minute. Yeah, here. We chopped around here for a bit. And then we eventually met our target. We were pretty dead on with the averages. We plotted it out. So we were able to tell based on statistics exactly where it would go. But yeah, buddy. And you know what? I was looking for Michael Payne too to come back. But Jay, I got you, buddy. I got you. Let me look at that for you real quick, man. You're talking about SYM. I'll give it a quick look. Just went through earnings, right? Wow.
Did you just look at that one?
Yeah, we looked at this today, earlier, but we didn't really spend too much time on it. It was do you remember? Just oh.
Yeah, it got getting demoted to another play.
Oh, right. Yeah. So let me look at this on a 15-minute time frame because dude, the 15-minute is validating. It's breaking below the EMA 50, EMA 200. It's starting to get some validations of the EMA 9 on the 5-minute, and it's looking like a massive dead cat. So if there is accumulation to be had on this, let me see that it's honoring the downside, though. Yeah, it's in the critical zone for downside. Let me see the 30-minute. Yeah, short-term upside on this validation in the gravitational zone. That means that the EMA 9 is likely to get tested on the 30-minute or the EMA 7, followed by a continuation to the downside. Let me see the hourly. Hourly, yeah, completely in bearish control. 3-hour bear control. 4-hour nosedive. Yeah, I think that this is getting ready for a continuation. And the RSI here on the 5-minute time frame is dumping into the gravitational zone, likely to get fulfilled after validating even that SMA 50. Bro, that SMA 50 is on a nosedive, and it just caught up to the price action here, and it's about to resist from it. Immediate short-term time frame, 41.11 before continuation to the downside. Let me see the 30-minute here again, as this could be either a 30-minute or 15-minute dead cat. So let's put it to a quick practice here and call it a day on ticker symbol SYM. Here we go. Top side of the cat could be here, actually. Psychological target is 30.93. So technically you have two areas to accumulate, right? Potential double bottom at 36.06, 6 points down, right? Or 5 points down, close to 5 points down. That would be the 30.93, which would be the psychological take profit or price objective for the dead cat. And then yeah, so where are we going to be caught, though? Where is the RSI potentially above the moving average? Let's see, 8-hour or 12-hour maybe. Let's see the 12-hour. Ooh, no, it would definitely be the daily. Yeah, actually, damn, the daily may fail it too. Yeah, I think the buy daily here is going to make a shift, right? It's going to come back down and validate the support of the SMA 14 right about here. Get that bounce from gravitation and then continue to the upside here. And that would be the downside that we're looking for here to around 30.93. Buy daily time frame, EMA 200, located right at that target that we're talking about. Yeah, so I think that there's that's pretty confluent to the EMA 200 on the buy daily. Pretty nice. Also, got to be careful with this, right? Because it looks like it's building a little bit of a head and shoulders formation there on a buy daily time frame, right? Building this on a buy daily time frame is no joke. It has a higher hit rate than it does on shorter time frames. In fact, it's very credible in this time frame. So if this thing starts to capitulate here, really showing that downside, that means that this thing is getting ready to make a bigger dump than what we think, right? Something like this here, that's going to be your price objective, right? Let's get that line and measure it to the downside. Damn, bro, let's get short this. All right, so this thing is set to drop to a potential 25.63 if this formation is completely fulfilled. That's a huge, huge, huge drop considering this asset. So swing low to the swing high. Bottom side target here is coming up to the 2 fib, or actually, you know what? Let me do it from the current swing low to the swing high, not the overall. Here we go. That's more like it. And yeah, bottom side target 25.63, 2 spot 618 at 25.16. And just so happens that you have your 2 spot 272 at the SMA 200. So that's going to be your total range with a focus, right? So I'm thinking 27.67 to 25.16. Potential psychological take profit target to be located right at about that 25.63. Doesn't have to be mentioned though, but it's there. And here you go. That's your analysis for Sim, buddy. These are my targets for you. 27.67 top side, 25.16. Focus of 25.63. If we get the break of the and confirmation of the EMA 200, this can happen over the span of about a week into a week and a half. And yeah, dude, yeah. I think this is what's up, Aiden? It's okay, buddy. You're okay. No problem. You've already done that class before too. So CoinFox, thank you so much for hitting the team up like that, dude. So Jay, that is the outlook here for Sim. Okay, buddy. So make sure to be careful how you accumulate here, right? But this does have some pretty negative implications coming up. All right, so be very careful. But that is it for that. Let's go ahead and now continue. I think what were we back? Oh, we already got the ranges here for ENPH. Cryptic, do you know by any chance? Do you know by any chance what time they're going to report? Is this like a 110 or 105 type of reporting? And then also we should probably check into the conference call for guidance or for further guidance. Fern5, is that you, buddy? Is that you in the chat? I'm sorry, in the
That's EMPH is at 105, 405.
Okay, so yeah, so a Pacific time team 105 p.m. PST. ADBE. Okay, is that also an earnings?
No.
What's the
No.
Let's see.
Wait, unless it's pre-market.
Oh, okay. Fern,
No.
Fern, let me unmute. I'm gonna take off the server mute from you. Mute it manually, okay? Mute your thing manually now.
Yeah, I agree. There's one that you could, as soon as it picks a direction, you could go in. You don't have to wait for the.
This is one. Fern, hit that mute button, buddy, so I can take. Yeah, there you go. Hell yeah. So that way I don't have to have you on server mute. Sorry, let me just gather all this stuff together. 21 points average, 105 PST. Okay. All right. Nice.
We have
So
quite
we
a bit tomorrow.
What else do we have?
So the other one was Snap. We have Spotify.
Snap and oh damn. We're busy.
Oh, well, actually, that's pre-market. Spotify's pre-market. And
Oh.
LOY.
Dude, let's look at it.
Spot.
What if it's a big mover? What is it spot? SPOT?
Ford.
No,
Don't do nothing.
no te oí. You were breaking out, buddy. Sorry.
Yeah, spot.
Are you
Pre-market.
Are you seeing this? Look at this thing. What the hell? It's been rallying since December. Holy God. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, let me take you on. Let's see if you got the goods. If not, then screw you and die. So let's put it down. Let's put the analytics
And
down.
Ford moves like 1 point, just like their cars 1 mile.
Yeah, Ford is a really slow mover unless there's a specific catalyst on it, dude, and it doesn't happen often. I've studied Ford for a while. All right. Let's see. Yeah, seriously, it's just, I mean, not Tesla. You know what I'm saying, man?
And not Tesla.
Just not Tesla.
I don't know who called that. Our buddy did.
The buddy called it. Dude.
Buddy called it.
Oh my goodness.
Our buddy's been trying to long Tesla for like a month already.
Bro, it's gonna hit the bottom somewhere though.
And then he's gonna say he's right.
Coin, tell him where the bottom is. ADBE? Okay, let me put a reminder here. I won't. Let me do a duplicate of this here and take a look at it. ADBE. Dude, with that kind of conviction, Adobe. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Let me put that on the 5-minute chart and get it just ready, right? So we'll look at this right after spot, since we may be able to benefit from something there. If it doesn't move, then it doesn't move, right? But yeah. So sorry, the earnings candle is here. Spot. Let's see. Opening of 148. Okay, damn, that is an 11-point move. Cool. Cool. And it just continued too. What, right. The reporting candle was here. That little ass candle. 143 to a high of 145.92. That's a 3-point move. 3 points. Damn it. Okay. 125 to a high of, damn, dude. That was a 14-point move here. Holy crap, dude. This thing, it could technically move, man. Just that one earnings was a little weird. Let's take a look at the reporting candle here. Yeah. Opening of 109 to a low of 106. It's just a 3-pointer. Okay. 97.05 open. A low of 87. That's a 10-point move. Cool. And I think that may have been our last one. Yeah. Okay, let's check this out. So 10-3, 14-3, 11. I would say a good average of, I would say the average is around 11. Average, okay. And this is, let me just go ahead and add that it is pre-market. Okay. Okay. So here we go. What do you think, buddy? This thing, let's if it hasn't,
I won't wake up for that.
yeah, I don't think it's, I don't think, let's look at this at intraday and see how, based on whatever it does, let's see if it reverts or whatever. Maybe that's the only thing we're going to get from it. It's got a 544 ATR.
It'll snap next.
Snap.
It's a small one, but it might move.
Yeah. And just real quick, right, for coin, let me observe Adobe here for a bit. Okay. Where did it close? 630.50 after, 630.50 traditional. It's using the 9, the EMA 9 on a daily here for a quick guide to the upside. It is hovering around some resistance levels, right? So particularly this area right in here, the 640 top is very, there's a lot of noise here. So I think that it has just a bit of these rejections here are very, I think all it has to do is really close above these before it can actually make a move into this. I think this would be the next resistance, actually. Just breaking above those temporary ones. Your 674 could be in line here. But let me take a look at a couple of things here too. So 4-hour volatility versus momentum. Let me see that. Yeah, so 4-hour wants to kind of distribute here for a little bit. I'm wondering if that's just a quick distribution here to that EMA, to the EMA 20 on the 4-hour time frame. potentially give another chance here for the bulls to enter. Let me see the hourly. The hourly is already suggesting continuation, so there may not be that much of a downside. Wow, dude, if the shorter time frame, like 30 minutes, is really thrusting upwards, but it's contracting. This is interesting. Okay. Breaking above the EMA 200, breaking above the EMA 9 in a 30-minute. Let's see. Let's see the hourly. Yeah, dude. Yep. This is probably, if it's going to make any technical downsides, man, I think the most it could do is 628, honestly. 628 to the bottom side of this invalidation zone of 624.58. Probably the lowest it can go. I think it won't go any lower than that. And then it looks like your bi-hourly time frame is already reading that upside here with potential expansion coming in. So is the 3 hour, and the 4 hour is potentially going to get the shift. Yeah, the 4 hour downside here is completely invalidated by the short term. This is a cascading wave, and I do think that this is getting ready for a top side here, man. Breaking above that 638.25, which is the 2-day high. I think that we're gonna potentially pop to those resistances that I spoke of. Coin, what are your thoughts as far as what I said, buddy? Is that, I'm sorry, I didn't notice if you put in any targets prior to this, but does it line up with anything that I'm speaking of? Dude, you can speak if you want. 642.09 is an area that I think we just have to combat, right? And then from there, yeah, man, we have a clear shot to 660. And what's the ATR on this? Dude, 14 ATR. Yeah, me too. Me too. I was seeing 659 to 674. 674 being a temporary because it's just this top side here, right? And because there's also like a daily gap there as well, right around the 680 zone, 674 to 680. And then beyond that, holy God, you know what I mean? This thing, I think, could rip through the 699.54. Bro, this could be in play. Almost, it's getting ready for breakout. Yeah, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth for us to dude, let's keep this in mind, brother. This thing is gonna rip. And I mean, what better structure could you ever want here, right? You have a clear, high structure, right? You have your
14 ATR.
Yeah, 14 ATR, right? So this thing, you have your higher highs, higher lows, right? 14 ATR on this thing. You're getting ready to break above that range that I just spoke of. This one here, 641, getting a 30-minute, maybe even an hourly close above that 641. That would introduce the 660, breaking and closing that the 659 to 660, right? Breaking that 659 would automatically introduce the 674 into the 699. And I think this would do it, man. I think, this is non-earnings? Yeah, this is moving organically then, man. This is good. This is very, very good. In fact, the earnings call made a dip, so lots of buy-side interest reached this. Let me take a look at the moving averages because I don't have a couple of my essentials in there. Yeah, we're above the SMA 50. We tested that 100, man. This thing is really trying to rip. EMA 20 validation, SMA 50 validation. This is looking pretty damn good, brother. The combination of the EMA 9 and your EMA 20 are playing nicely for a continuation to the upside. This is a whole ass play, bro. Let's keep it in the radar here. So I don't know what Spot's going to do, but we can see if it does anything during the whatever, right? After hours, ENPH is without a doubt the freaking play. 21-point average and steady. Dude. Get the hell out of here. ENPH may be the winner here. Holy crap, man. ESK, what's up, buddy? Yeah, let's look at Tesla. Tesla, it's I think it's 164 bound, buddy. Man. Coin, don't miss it, buddy. Let's do it together. What if you get like what if you get a nice opportunity? I know that you're working too, bud, and I know that you're doing your thing. I don't mean to pressure you whatsoever. I just want you to join the boys and come and have a good time with us. Oh, you've missed it for years.
It sounds so gay.
Come on, buddy. You know he's good. We gotta involve the boy. Come on, cabron. Give him a hug. Coin Fox, Cryptic wants to give you a hug, but he doesn't actually want to give you a hug. Tell him it's okay for you to give him a hug. Cryptic, it's okay, buddy. Come give me a hug, a digital hug. Un abrazo. Dale un abrazo, güey. So, yeah, man, I'm sorry. What was I going to look at right now? Oh, Tesla. The one that's been giving us bans after bans. All right. So let's see this damn thing, man. Okay. EMA 9 guidance, complete downside here, man. There is, I will admit that there is a slight bit of declining volume on the hourly time frame. That's Cryptic. Oh my goodness. Dude, so I will admit that there is this a decline in volume on Tesla, which is oddly saying that there could be an end to the downside, but just it could just be today too, and this still has more downside to go. Is more like what I want to say.
It might just be a breather day.
Right? It could be consolidation day. Could we read it as that? Yeah. It did take, let me see. It did take one. Has it taken that? Oh, yeah, it did take it one time. Look at this. After this huge downside, yeah, it consolidated actually for a day and a half before it started making its moves. So, yeah, I think you're right, dude. I think this could be that quick dip, potential consolidation here. Then it'll start making either its continuation to the downside or upside. We got to see. We got to see how this is going to react, man. And Coin saying Tesla likes to flip.
Tesla tomorrow's not our main.
Yeah, no. This is not it, dude. Not it. I think it's way overextended. It's got to take a breather. Tesla likes to flip early in the week and thrash the puts. Notoriously, it will roast the puts and rip faces. I agree. It'll throw them so far out of the money. And seeing that everybody's so damn bearish on it, it's a clean trap. Do not get caught. And those put options, you should be out by tomorrow anyway, right? Avoid the Thursdays. Avoid the Wednesdays. Get the hell out.
The hell day are we anyways?
How what?
Monday, no?
Yeah, we're on Monday right now, dude. So we still have the whole week. Yeah, today we did see a lot of people trying to get long this. So who knows if it's accumulating, right? So if it's going to accumulate again. Mm-hmm. We still have that EMA 200 at 188, man. So it could very well retrace to that to at least that top side. 186 to 188, those same resistances, man, that we've been messing around with. No way. How much are the options for Adobe? Like where are they? Are they really that pricey? I mean, is it like meta pricey or what?
They're not that bad. They're $1.
They're $1?
Depends what you want. The 655.
What's that? Close to at the money, like one, like at the money.
Well, at the money is expensive.
320.
You're talking about $8.
Oh well, 8,800. What? Damn. $800.
No.
Oh God. If they're $800, I could probably afford to do like 3. I was looking.
Still a lot of money. Go to like the 650s are 280, 269, 280.
Oh, that's not way too. Yeah, I mean, I have to look at the delta on those. But dude, those are going to be volatile as hell. They're going to be next up for running in.
Mhm. Yeah.
Bro, Adobe definitely in play tomorrow. We were
Delta's
talking.
21 cents.
Yeah, Destiny, Kathy Woods sold Nvidia and bought Tesla. Kathy Woods
No
is a
wonder.
dumbass. Like, that is the stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Kathy Woods, like, how the hell is she still trading? How she still have her money?
Who allowed her? Like, oh my goodness, dude. That is whatever, man. Dude, Nvidia is not done. Nvidia is really not done. This girl, dude, she wanted to just take her profits anywhere. She's got some skills.
On her knees.
Oh man. Dude, yeah, that's probably one of the most ridiculous things I've ever heard. So let's go over real quick what we're potentially looking. Oh, guys, don't remember a la verga, right? ALB. This one is
La Verga, yeah.
La Verga.
Starting to
Wednesday, depending on where.
Wednesday.
Right? Yeah, Wednesday, depending on where we open. It's set to make a decline for the 2 weeks prior to the earnings call, February 14th. So on Wednesday, historically speaking, this thing has made, just declines that are massive 2 weeks before earnings, historically. So this is something we got to keep an eye on Wednesday, right? That's out of the way. Were you taking a look at the snow for tomorrow? Potential 228.26, man, to be honest.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I was looking at it, yes.
Cool. And
I was.
777 average true range. That's an $8 average true range, man. This is great.
Uh-huh.
Hell yeah.
Adobe looks better, but that still looks good.
So yeah, let's keep it in line. Just keep it in line though, right? So Adobe looks amazing, dude. So Adobe Snow intraday plays. ENPH would be the after. I'm not sure how it's going to react during, but I feel like I want to reserve myself from it until the earnings call.
ENPH, remember, if it doesn't move, it just channels, and I'm guessing it's going to channel.
Yeah, I think you're right, buddy. We're gonna exclude Tesla. Right, we're not gonna have Tesla in this thing. And what are we thinking? What are we thinking about Nvidia, bro? I mean, coin is thing. Just go long on it, dude. Let's go.
Just go long. Just go long. I'm gonna sit. Yeah, just go long,
dude. In another case, we also have to, kind of think to ourselves that we're buying longs, like at the top, right? I'm just saying.
Dude, we've been buying longs at the top for how long?
I know, bro. You know what? We've been saying that this thing is going to reverse since freaking 560. So this thing is $200 up, man. Could it be that the Nvidia is carrying the entire market alongside Meta's ridiculous call? Man, Mickey D is a joke. I'm going to get that out of the way.
Screw Mickey D.
All right. So what I'm really asking is if we should keep it in the loop. Nvidia.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep it in the loop. All right, I'm going to get rid of Tesla again. A la verga is later. And the SPY, naturally, we're going to have to take a look at this because Coin is talking about the SPY potentially breaking out, like towards up. I personally don't like these little, lower highs here because it makes me feel like
it's surprised if it breaks up.
Yeah. So, and it's because it's being propped up by everything in the world. So let's get the upside targets on this. Oh, you got SPY going down? I have a SPY target of 484.34. So 49.20 on the ES.
I think it's gonna fake out.
You think so?
Yeah. I think it's going to get propped up by NVIDIA.
Dude, here.
Or Meta. something.
Yeah, see, that's kind of what my train of thought was, but I want to also, dude, let's look at the damn economic calendar, man. Are we gonna get ourselves trapped into something? No. Are we clear? Holy crap! I think we're clear. We have two Feds tomorrow, but which ones are they? Is it like Fed Bullard? Is it the Bears or the Hawks? Okay, Coin is sharing with us the schedule. Let me
It's a
see.
ways though.
Okay.
Blah blah blah.
Where the heck is this thing?
Yeah,
It's a Fed Master
jobless
speech.
claims.
Oh, we have when the hell is that happening? And tomorrow's Tuesday, right?
That's the 8th. That's the 8th. I think we're clear tomorrow. We got Fed Mester speech. Who the hell is Mester?
Yeah, is he a hawk? Or is he a dove? Loretta Mester?
Loretta Lynch?
Loretta Lynn, Tennessee. Okay. And I see that CPI is coming up fairly soon. That's going to be on next Tuesday. So CPI month over month and year over year. That's and in the inflation rate, of course. Those are market movers for sure. But that's not until next week. Retail sales, nah. PPI, yeah, that could also potentially, and then the Michigan consumer sentiment too. But FOMC minutes, that tends to move the market a little bit, but it does move it. So that's all next week, though. So tomorrow is just the Fed Mester. Loretta, did you say Loretta Mester? Okay, so no data. Let's get turnaround Tuesday. Market wants data. It needs data to move. I completely agree. And okay, so yeah, so she is a hawk. Loretta Mester. She is anti-dove, blames it all on them. Nice. Okay. So then the thesis that Coin is actually telling us could very well play out tomorrow, and that is the downside on the SPY. So I have one more target. You think financials will dump? We'll keep an eye on the heat map. And let me just add it in here because I do not want to add any of that crap into here. So already retail is facing a lot of pressure right now. Utilities is also down. Consumer durables is also down. Commercial services, which could be some financials in there. That's also really finance in general. Yeah, it's starting to turn entirely red. It feels like it's an oncoming storm. That's what it really feels like. Sorry, buddy.
We got Western Union, but it's not worth anything. So.
Oh. So it's not going to move nothing.
No.
How
are they even in business still?
Yeah, like what are they doing over there? Just pretending? Like taking the taxpayers' money? Get out of here. All right. So which one would you look at first, Coin? JPM? Which one would be the leading one? Like what would topple first? Oh, you know what? Yeah, Fern, but that's not till Wednesday. So we're going to be looking at that tomorrow. Oh,
that's today. LLY is the one we need to look at.
LLY? Okay, so this is what you're talking about. I'm gonna leave it there, man. Oh, dude, what the hell? All right, let's look at LLY. Let me leave the heat maps up and let me pull it up here. Is LLY an earnings play?
Pre-market.
Pre-market. All right, let's run it. Thanks, Coin. Nice. Okay, so it did consolidate for a bit and we ran, boy. So the thesis is done on this thing. Who asked me about this? Because this definitely worked out. Let me go to the 12-hour. Oh, here on the daily is fine. I'm just gonna go back to the 30-minute after I plot it. Oh shit. So alt vertical. And 1 for good luck. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, let me get rid of these things here and see what's up. The reporting candle is right back here. Nice, damn. So opening of 563 to a low. No freaking way, bro. Dude, it's like a 50-point move. Like, damn. Ooh, I noticed somebody was asking me about this. Alex, you still in there? Goodness.
The only problem is that this reports before we could trade.
This what?
The problem is that this reports before we could trade. Let's see the reversal.
Damn. Yeah, that's a short killer. All right. And it's also freaking $588. I don't know that I can do that. It's like, what am I really trading?
You're trading NVIDIA.
I know, but I can't. That's options though. But this right here are live shares. So if I do shares on this, like for real, what am I doing? Like 7? Like, you feel me? Like, you feel me? It's a little much. But yeah, NVIDIA's options. Yeah, man. Opening.
No, that's why you take the open on this one.
That is true. That is true. Good point. You got me there. This is an 18-point move here, man. Dude, this is a monster.
But either way, you couldn't trade it even if you wanted to. I can't because it reports at 3 a.m.
Damn, this thing is a whole ass liar. I guess we're just gonna have to, dude. So we can't even. Why are we even tracking it? Or yeah, why are we even tracking it? We can. We'll leave it here.
We know it's gonna move.
Yeah, it's gonna
we
move.
Know it's gonna move.
And then we react to it after. This is an intraday trade.
Yep.
Webull 1 a.m. trading. I will never trigger on Webull again, brother. I am.
Hell no.
I am out of that forever.
Okay, you never trade an earnings trade on Webull.
Shit, dude. Does it even have the execution like for that? Like everything's limit. Dude, the limits on Dash Trader are they might as well be market. You know? The limits on Dash Trader are stupid fast. Oh my goodness. But I do remember that. I do remember Webull showing a 1 a.m. You are right. Coin, what you sharing, buddy?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too, buddy. I'm looking at that as well on the SPY ticker. This right here. So I'm sorry, I was gonna do the opposing side. Of course, we were gonna do it like this, right? In fact, it would be something more like this.
Could break either way, bro. That's what I'm saying.
It's just Nancy Peluda. She's over there, selling things. and in the hawk. I don't know. Breakdown test of the open? Okay. Where actually, dude, where is it? Let me see. It's at 49.64 right now. It's it's a carbon copy. This is that bro, I think we're gonna have to it is a clear triangle, but it also has the shape of a head and shoulders, man. I think the head and shoulders takes precedence. And let me see if we take the head and shoulders formation on this into consideration. Then tell me if this matches any of your targets, Coin. I'll give you one. I'm looking at 48.78. Test of the bottom side of this inflection at 48.74. Does that look like something that you may? Does it jive with you? And then, yeah, this is the first. Oh, dude, right? Freaking massive 3 white soldiers, or what did you call them again? So 49.20s, it all works. Yeah, it's still the same range, right? Even within the hourly time frame, it's showing that. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I think if we're looking at a bearish SPY, there could be a pullback market wide. I'm not sure about about Nvidia, however, right? But and then Meta still playing its ridiculous little games. Could it be? Could it be that we get a Meta pullback? I don't know, but I'm thinking here that Meta could pull back to the 449 area, another 10 points down. See if it can. Yeah, the rising methods. There we go. I think it's less racial. The rising methods instead of the 3 white soldiers. Oh my goodness, dude. When everyone is scared to short Nvidia, that is the time. Aiden, take care, buddy. Oh man, get that macro theory done, buddy. We'll talk. Night, buddy. Damn, you think tomorrow? Well, not like a complete reversion. It could just be what, like a higher low. Fucking 12-hour time frame retracement here down to 682. Get a quick little 20-point drop on this. Yeah, we have a complete outside bar here. Could look. This technically resembles a hanging man. Just the body a little bit higher would be great, but this is the essence of a hanging man here. No, dude. I'm gonna trade this. I'm gonna trade the actual asset. I want to keep the team away from levered ETFs and levered the pro shares and all that good stuff. I want to keep them away from that. But for us, if we were in private, then yeah, maybe we could trade the levered assets. But I don't want to give any ideas to retail that feel like they can multiply their money, through other means. But yeah, like someone like you, like me, OGG, Coin, Cryptic, dude, we could handle things like that. Fern 5, like, dude, we know that, but it's just for the team. I want to keep them safe. Nvidia gap up and sell through 660. If you're looking at a 660, that is right at the golden pocket. 654.57 would be the not 618 to the not 786 at 659.46. Dude, I think sure. Yeah, dude. Yes, but we're like, dude, also know that this is potentially pulling back a 40 point pullback. So if you get a 40-point pullback, that also has danger to use the 665.76 as resistance for further downside, which could introduce the bottom side of 637 as well. These are gaps, right? These are psychological triggers here, man. That would interest buyers, right? So if the algo is noticing here some dude going long, freaking 3,000, 4,000 shares, the algo is going to want that. This is the buy zone for me. I'm thinking 636.74 to the bottom side of this gap, right around 631.96. That's a long zone for me. I do not think 654.57 would do it. That's a scalp. That's a scalp range. 654.49. Quick lift to 666.18. Get that resistance. Validate the resistance. Drop into that gap zone right here. This would be max demand right in here, which is also the chop area that we actually looked at for a few days. This is naturally the place to actually buy, buddy. Everybody thinks that it would be right in here at the gap, but this is going to trap a lot of people. I think that this would really be it. Coin March will be your time. No. I think, dude, look at the average 2 range on this. So if we're pulling up the, what's the ATR on this? Is that 16 or 14 or what is it? Let me see. No, buddy, I think this could do it sooner. Yeah, it's at almost, it's $19. So
25.
say again.
25.
25.
Yep.
Holy crap. Okay, dude. So yeah, look at this. 25-point dip. You're talking about Monday. You're talking about Wednesday or Thursday. Dude. I mean, in like 2 or 3 days, this is sub 650. And honestly, it could,
Or it could be 800. That's the thing.
yeah, that is absolutely the thing, right? So there's just a small little thesis here based on a hanging man, right, outside bar here, potential weakness coming in. You could honestly, I don't know how bad this is, but the 2-spot 272 at 704.35, maybe all the way to 715.24, huge bull trap, and that would be the long wick to the downside, or it could be the major bearish engulfing on a daily time frame, and that would be your first symptom to touch down at those lower targets. But I don't know that. Of course, the sentiment is driving this, psychology is driving it. But yeah, options, you could be right.
I need more. I need something more clear though.
Absolutely. Tonight we're speculating, right? So tomorrow would tell all, and then I guess we'll be chilling. But regardless of the fact, if we're gonna long this, I mean, really, where the hell is the price right now? Let me see where it is. 24-hour market. Sorry, where? 702?
Oh, no, it ended at 702. My bad. I don't know what is that.
Chingadera. Imagine, bro. I almost believed you. I mean, like, why not, right? This thing is so damn bullish. It's currently sitting at 704.85. Dude, it's at the 2-spot 272 right now. That's what I was saying, is that this thing could rip to the 704 to 715 today. And that would be the reason to create the bearish engulfing. So meaning gap up, right? So gap up at market open, 715 top, 705 gap up, right? Then from there, I don't know. But usually gap ups tend to, intraday reversals or pullback.
The option change is 760.
760 option? Damn, they're adding them, dude.
720, yeah.
They're adding them in there. They're creating demand.
The option change looks strong into 800, bro.
They're pulling buyers, bro. They're pulling buyers.
It looks hella strong into 800.
So yeah, that's also something that I say to coin. It's like, yeah, we'll see the flow for the puts and the calls, and we'll see the ratio, but we can't see the ratio of people who are shorting the call or longing the call. It's just overall volume for that flow. So we couldn't tell specifically which one is taking precedence unless we have one of those, squawk, or what do those give us, the market metrics like Fintel and stuff? But yeah, you guys.
I'm using Fintel. I'm using Finbiz online to check these, but it doesn't show direction either.
Okay, but the fact is that they're in there, and that could be enough.
That they're in there, and they're heavy.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's 720 is the second heaviest, but 800 is the heaviest.
Okay, so let's just take a listen to this though. The ATR that we're looking at $19, right? On a daily, or 25 on your side, is the second largest iteration of volatility that this has ever had. So that's already kind of a symptom too. Now, if we're looking at volatility, let me not look at the daily for this. Let me look at something like the weekly. Take a look at the weekly time frame Stoke. This is curling already. So if there is some type of a pullback coming, let's take a look at this. How many times have we reverted from this point? So we zoom out, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, potentially 4, 5, 6, 7 times historically speaking. So meaning that this is the third iteration, right? That's the highest that the stochastic momentum oscillator has ever been in. And I will say that this is probably one of the single only times, except this iteration here, right, where it went straight up to expansion. This one too. 1, 2 iterations. Let's see. This is nope, not that one either. Not that one. And not this one. There have been 2 historical iterations where we have gotten a massive upside like this on expansion. So what I'm saying is that if there is a bearish argument to this, what goes up fast must come down fast. I mean, it's just I'm not choosing the bears, or I'm not choosing the bulls either. I'm just simply stating that there could be, dude, what the hell is going on here? That there could be something to look at too for both sides. It's getting questionable. I will say that. I don't know, man. I don't know, but we just have to be reactive to what's happening here. But I will say that if it does react to the downside, we have a stupid play for this, dude. We are gonna bank out hard if it does do that. But we can't force it, and we can't pretend like it's there when it's not, and we can't. It's just there's signals, there's symptoms. To me, they're just symptoms. You're right, and I want follow through, and I think tomorrow will tell all. I really do think that'll be the case. Option saying I will throw 10K on a bet if it does not hit 6:30 before earnings. You mean when it does? Well, no. I think tomorrow. I think tomorrow would be a good tell all, right? Because there could be a shift here, man. I'm not sure, but I think tomorrow would be it. No, I don't think it hits. I don't think it hits 6:30 tomorrow, dude. It has a 25 ATR. That means that we hit 680, 670, if anything. No, I said that if we hit 6:30, this could happen in 3 days. So it could happen potentially by Thursday or Friday if we continue on a downtrend overall. But that's a very conditional if. The options chain is supporting a continuation to the upside. Heavy 720s, heavy 750s up there, right? So, but the thing is that remember, those calls, they are showing volume, but again, we can't tell who's shorting the call either. That's equivalent volume too. They're there though. They are there. We also don't know who's selling the call.
650 is the down that the chain is showing. 650.
650 is your downside on options too. You can see who's short the calls.
Yeah.
Options, how are you getting that data, buddy? Share. Like you can see who's short the puts as well. Dude,
What do you have? Some unusual option?
That's invaluable information, buddy. That'd be amazing for us to know. Dude, it'd be incredible to see that, brother. Woo. Yeah, dude, that will, the difference between that will seriously, dude, it's just,
dude.
I don't think any retail is just, even on Moomoo. Show me. Wait, seriously, how are you see? On Moomoo. I'm not familiar with Moomoo, so you'll have to show me, buddy. But I haven't known anyone to see the short call or short. It's just
well, you could see it if you have an unusual options scanner or something. I don't have one.
And usual options activity is something TOS can do for you, but I don't know that it'll display to you the short versus long volume.
No, you need to have something you pay for. There's a few of them. There's a few.
Right? Yeah. And I do remember the institution that I spoke of, that, potential hire here. They did show me that data, but it's particular to the data that also shows dark pool activity. Dude, that's awesome options. But how do you get to it, or how do you? Can you show me an example of it? Like, dude, that is awesome information, dude. And bro, like we could have an edge like no other. I didn't even know you could see that, dude. No one can see that. Or well, I mean, I've been under the example, under the impression. Sorry. That's like, is that Weeble? Oh, that's Mumu. Okay, so here's my next question, and it's it really is an honest question. If we're looking at the options activity, short or long, from Mumu, does that mean it's particularly from the market made by Mumu? Or I know the market maker is whoever, right? But is it the same as, say, for example, the market from Fidelity or Interactive Brokers? Do they also represent the same information, or is it just particular to the Mumu broker?
Mhm.
Chad, be safe, buddy. And then also to make the math out of that, I wouldn't know how to do it, how to verse it against each other. It's not just for Mumu. You can see, okay, the only thing that will give you an idea is to see if they were bought at the bid or ask. If they are buying at the ask aggressive or buying at bid, selling at bid or selling at ask, that's the real tell. I agree. I agree with that. Well, that would be the like FOMO buying or selling. That's pretty cool. I personally don't know how to calculate that, dude. So that would be way beyond me, guys. I'm not even going to pretend like I know how to read or calculate that. I've never actually seen that data in front of me. It's kind of like coin. It kind of like reminds me of like your book map, but for like options. Is that is it wrong to assume that?
Well, they do have. I'm telling you, they do have paid things like that.
They do, right?
Yeah, yeah. They're not cheap.
Okay, so that's all. That's another set of volume to look to. Selling calls and selling puts. So there are three. So there are, what was it? Six metrics to look at: long call, long put; short call, short put; sell call, sell put. And then the six of them gathered together as the average. Dude, that is so much data to take into account. I don't even know. I gotta tell you, I don't even know how I personally would approach that.
Bro, but you don't need to.
Right? It's just what
Look,
the algo
the
tells
volume
you.
is there. Look, no, the volume's there, bro. Once you pick the direction, you know where it's headed. That's why I don't bother with that.
I can't even
The
do it.
volume tells me volume plus direction tells me where it's going.
Yeah, dude. You know what? This is almost like kind of like reading book map to me. I think that if I just look at the chart, you know how I trade, guys, and Cryptic is very similar.
Dude, yeah.
I'm sorry. I feel like I could be lost if I take that in. I need to be trained better, or trained in another way for me to consider that. I feel like I would lose my ass if I if I don't know how to read it, but I know how to read the chart, and I know how to read price action, volume.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's what I'm telling you, that's all you really need. What we're talking about here is just a confirmation. That's
Yeah,
all. But once you have direction, you already know.
because whatever targets that I was just talking about.
That's what you're That's what your pivots are for. That's what your resistance are for.
And
Once
chop
it breaks
areas.
it, you know it's going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. How more obvious than does this look? You know what I mean? It's just that's an area of interest, right? This was consolidation for reaccumulation. Like we know this. We know this. It's very clear. But
I mean, it's good to know it, but it's like to get more exact. But right now, we're just trying to get down. You know.
yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I'm over. Yeah, it's just another metric that I can't.
Mhm. Yeah.
And dude, I personally have to hand it to Coin and to Options if they can read that stuff, dude. That's crazy, man. That's awesome, guys. I can.
But I have Bookmap, but I don't use it.
Oh, you do.
And
On what? On Toss?
Uh-huh.
Is it Trading View too, or just Toss?
Or just Toss.
Oh, I'm telling you, I use this every day.
I don't like it. Well, I can't read it, honestly. I could kind of read it, but not like Coin. It just messes me up. That's why I don't bother.
Oh my god, dude! Coin has saved my ass, bro. Like more than a few times, and I'm just like, dude, really? You know, and then I, damn. But yeah, you guys. So okay.
And I love the pivots, man.
Yeah, man. Same here. Inflection is for me. Yeah, inflection and direction is everything. Huge call while at 700. Damn! Imagine it just gets annihilated there, dude. That would be so freaking insane. Are you talking about man? I guess we're gonna find out tomorrow, right? Because this thing is already, if they preloaded those calls, then they would be immediately in the money at open because the asset is at 704.75 right now. So if they're in the money, that means that they're probably gonna take profit right away. I would, right? If I was holding these things overnight and these things just went into the money $5, you know I am out quickly. That dude, that is an IV pump like no other. You know what I mean, guys? This is awesome, you know, but I think it's cool that we were able to, see these things together. Take care, Fern. Max Payne is
let's see what happens.
Damn, Max Payne is 610, dude. What?
No chance.
A 100. Yeah, I don't think that's happening. It's a 100-point dip.
Ain't happening.
It's an average. The Max Payne is an average. But
Yeah.
even at that, right? If you're talking 20 to 30 point around that, it's still 70 points down. This thing is 25.
AMC Max Payne. It's gonna hit Max Payne. Max Payne.
Oh my god, and the FTDs and the dude. Oh
Yeah.
god, it's such a freaking runaround. Goodness Lord. 702. What's the
I like how these two fools are fighting.
is somebody covering right now? What's the short yeah, you know what? Just for shits and giggles, what's the short interest on it? Is it above 10? If the short interest is really around the 10% and up, it's already kind of high. So if you're talking about short interest 20, 30%, dude, it's going to be hard to borrow. Do you want to borrow? You got frita, damn. No. I'm asking because somebody on YouTube is asking me. I think anything analytic with AMC has been inaccurate because of the amount of sentiment within that psychology.
Should we look at Ortex?
To the Ortex data, dude. We're going to be looking at freaking what? We're going to be looking at January 20th data. It's 2 weeks behind. Stupid. It's so ridiculous. It's a waste of money. Yeah, Ortex is a joke. Like it's reported by FINRA too, but FINRA is giving us the freaking short end of the stick by receiving all that data 2 weeks later. It can't do that. It can't work like that. It's an unfair advantage. Ortex is a bunch of crap.
Trey, remember Trey? Let's go look at Ortex.
Oh my goodness, dude. He would be so stoked on that. How much is it? It was like $400 a month, wasn't it? It was like really expensive.
Yeah.
Dude, what? Oh, man.
Ortex.
Yuca Frita, you got to take profit somewhere, bro. Damn. Holy crap. Yeah.
We have an idea, though. Good enough.
Yeah, we do. We do have an idea, man. I think we're cool in here. And so if we're looking, let me look at this last one here. Maybe we call it a night and get some rest. Roku.
Roku's going to pull back to 680. Roku's going to go up to 680 tomorrow.
Wait. Pull back.
He's talking about NVIDIA.
Yeah. So the wait, let me. We're underneath the SMA 50 right now. That looks like it's coming up for a validation. We're below inflection on the hourly time frame. There is one more support that this has a low ATR for now because of course it's $80, but I think this gets down to 85.68. At max, right? But there's some areas here of let me see. Yikes. Damn. Yeah, I think maybe it drops to 86.40, just about here. It's a little messy, I will say. 86.40 to 85.98 potential, and if it does even, realize there's the dead cat, the SMA 50 would be a clean reason for it to continue. The bottom side we're facing here is $85, which just so happens to have an at 185 perfectly. It's an hourly gap down there. ATR on this could be around $1. Let me see or $2. It's 379, not bad. So actually, dude, I think we get a quick little dip here. Inverse head and shoulders on a daily. Then this thing may start realizing its formation. Could it be? Could it be that this thing is about to rip? Let me see. No way. It's feeling like it's going to make a big ass move. Hold on, let me see. So psychology is leading price to a resistance of around 106. It's already suggesting that we would beat the $100 zone. Now, are we talking macro inverse head and shoulders too? Holy hell.
When's earnings for that?
Earnings is coming up, huh?
Roku.
Is that Thursday? Is that the 15th next week?
15th. Yeah, 15th.
Let me see this. Dude,
Roku.
Is it wrong to assume that it could do that? That's a massive, dude, I don't know that it is. If that's really the case, This thing has a stupid upside target, like really, really dumb. I mean, ridiculous upside target. Let me just speculate on that, if it's even possible,
150. Shoot, the it's just YOLO the 150 calls, man. They're a penny, 2 cents,
bro. 210.
but 16, 2 cents, baby.
Let's go. 2 cents.
It's YOLO them, bro.
Let's go. $2.
Yeah, $2, man. Just load up 1,000 each.
Load up 1,000, bro. We'll be good when it reaches $150 each.
Yeah,
We're rich immediately off of Roku, bro. We're Roku monsters.
this is a YOLO play right here, bro.
Dude, this is a YOLO play. It's so damn cheap everywhere.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Dude, I'm reading a 209 here, man. I'm reading like a 210 on this damn thing. Should I run a back test on it? This is all right. It's let me see the 12-hour.
Dude, I'm about to buy them 150s.
Let's go.
Buy
them with you.
10,000 of them.
Dude,
Buy 10,000.
Bro, look at this thing. The buy daily is already set up. It's on an upside pivot, critical contraction here. This thing is going to possibly fire it in the next, maybe, I don't know, maybe by next week, Monday, Tuesday. This could actually start to rip. Maybe end of the week.
150. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean that's 50% the way. And 150 is a critical zone of resistance. It's let me see. Yeah, it's right in here. Huge pivot right there at the 151. And price action on the buy daily is already knocking at the door of the EMA 200. The EMA.
Where's OGG?
He's gonna trip when he sees
like
this.
Straight up an OG. This is an OGG like go in like heavy. Oh, OGG ball deep.
Dude, this is balls deep time on this. All right, man. Roku looks like it could do some damage. Hey, Traveling Sessions, what's up, buddy? Crushed GCT. What is GCT? Traveling Sessions. Let's see. So it had a good earnings. Let's see. Yeah, man. Nice definitely nice move up here. Remember that this would be completely psychologically driven because of the impulse. So 4-hour time frame, everything's going to be pivoted towards the upside here, man. And I will say that I'm wait, is that really true? No way. Let me see this thing, bro. Any day now. Load the data. There we go. Dude, no. Get out of here. Is that for real? Look at this, Crypt. Check this out. You might actually have to pull it in your own time frame too, in your own chart. Pull the let me see, maybe the 8-hour, but we could do it on the 12-hour too. No, it probably has to be the 8-hour. Take a look at the 8-hour and look at zoom out. And look where it's sitting. Holy God. I don't know if this thing's about to do what I'm thinking it's gonna do, bro, but this is looking for a 40-point gainer. It had an earnings beat. Let's see. If the streaming numbers are good, Roku might start running on sympathy. Damn. So which means that Nvidia is not done. Just kidding. Yeah, man. I'm thinking the same thing. I was looking at 2650 actually. So yeah, I hear you. GCT potential is Giga Cloud, right? Potential drop 2650 to 26 2620-ish. I see it. It did earnings on
250.
2250 is your pivot?
No, the pivot's down here at. Where's the big one at?
The big pivot? There could be one at 22. No. It would be at 2134. Recent over the last week.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I don't know that this thing could reach that low, but that's an 8-point drop. And does it even have that ATR? I'd be surprised if it has a high one. 244, $3.
GCT? Is it GCT?
GCT. Yeah, there's a big ass daily gap at 2486.
2.5.
2.5. I have a feeling this thing is going to start. I have a feeling this thing is going to start going. Potential drop here to around that 2486 to 2650. That range there, right? That's reaccumulation, or I'm sorry, distribution to touch down a demand for reaccumulation. Temporary resistance at 3565. Temporary resistance 4181. And then you're into the clouds, man. I think this is probably going to continue upward. Holy God, there is a lot of upside in this.
You think it's going for the 60?
I think it's going for the 60, man. Let's keep an eye on it, man, because if it starts getting that one direction, everything's telling you, right? A volatility completely expansion.
There's only one pivot left, bro.
There's only one. That's my point.
That 35. Yeah, that's it.
Holy God, that's a temporary pullback, man. Look at the daily stochastics, completely erect. That thing is in the gravitational zone of the daily stochastics top side, man. 12-hour time frame, still expanding, still massive upside. 8-hour time frame could be the one to show us that slight never mind. Upside pivot on the 8-hour with upside expansion. Upside pivot on the 6-hour with upside expansion. Dude, all these time frames showing upside with expansion, that just means one fucking thing. Hourly time frame upside, and it's getting close to critical expansion. Dude, let's keep an eye on this, dude. Something is up here, and it may not move as fast as we want, but we so there you go, man. Come on, man. Is OBS connecting or what? Lying ass thing. All right. Who hiked the price of NVIDIA to $11.50? Do you recall what analyst did that? What? Oh, you mean it has an up? It was actually Cryptic, buddy. With like a serious face. Here's the forecast. $1,100. But there's also 410. But it's a bigger green. Right? And check it out. Strong buy on both technicals and the analysts. Nice. No, I'm serious too, bro. Look at the upgrade. It's $1,100. It's plus 58.66%. $1,100 right here. It is upgraded.
NVIDIA has been split already. People can't play it anymore.
Dude, they're gonna have to stock split, man. Like, just do it already.
Yeah.
Tesla had to do it at 1,200 too, man. It was just way too ridiculous.
I have to buy like less and less shares each day.
I have to start using options now because this thing is so damn ridiculous.
I know, freaking dude.
Ay, cabrón. All right, man. Fuck it. Let's cut this stream off. Let's get some rest, man, and come back and make some money. Fox, Coin Fox, you're such a bear, dude. I can't wait. I can't wait to play this, man. I can't wait to play it. Let's take the guidance.
NVIDIA gonna touch the 20 at 593
on the daily.
On the daily, that's your retrace right there to the 20.
Damn, you think 593? That's
a normal retrace for a stock, bro.
Jesus Lord, yeah, dude, that's my EMA 21. Actually, I'm sitting right at about 593.90 at the EMA 21. Let's go. That is a normal thing, but I will say, look at the daily time frame, never touching down on that SMA 20. Though it feels like it's just going to retrace to the.
It's not even close.
Oh my God, bro, this thing is crazy. Damn it, man, we should have longed it over here. I told you at 490. I'm just kidding, bro. I didn't say nothing.
You didn't say shit.
I didn't say shit about it. Coin is saying it's actually very plausible. 550 is 50% retrace. And dude, we noticed. Yeah, I mean, don't let me pull up. Hold on. This is going to be the last thing I do for tonight. And let's get the hell out of here. Right. So here's your reversions. Okay. This is mathematics telling you what the hell is going to be. 1 standard deviation pullback. You're looking at 636. Okay. Your mean. Your retracement to the mean, because we're already beyond 2 standard deviations already. This is already telling you with this big red bar that you're supposed to pull back, right? So your mean is 593.57. That's right there, man. We were just looking at that freaking the EMA 21, SMA 20 right there. And you're 550 to 506, right? For 1 standard deviation minus the mean is 550. 2 standard deviation minus the mean. Decline 505.88, which is the chop zone. But we'll see. Let's not tangle our thongs up here. Get your puts now. 590 probably cheap, dude. What are you talking about? Monthly, or bi-monthly or what?
Anyone that hit 800.
Yeah.
15 March.
We're going to get those. Dude, that'd be amazing. I mean, that's honestly what we want to buy puts.
Yeah, they're only $10.
$10?
$10.
Your max loss is $10, dude.
They're only $1,000.
You understand that one of those puts is going to make you 2 G's?
If I can make 2 G's on like half a play, dude.
Yeah, you just buy one, and that fool will be in the money in 2 weeks. Let's go. Damn, dude. Wow, playing stocks is cool.
I'd rather YOLO Roku.
Roku seems like it's gonna do some nasty things to us, man. It's gonna be speaking nasty in our ears. All right, man. I'm tired. Let's get out of here. Nobody believed 50K. Options, dude. That guy on your video. All right, guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys later, okay? You did mine it at 400. Oh my goodness. I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for stopping on by. And I'll catch you in the AM team. See you later, you guys. It's going to sign out right here real quick. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, ever, never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. Very good rest of your night. And I will catch you at the Bella freaking Mañana. Adios, team. Oh, yeah.